Now that we have signed into our Scratch MIT website, we will start creating a new project. So create a new project first by clicking on the create button in the top left corner. Now once the program loads, we have this default sprite. We can remove this sprite if you want. Okay, so let's add a different sprite. Okay, I want a girl, so I'll add Abby. I want to change the backdrop also. I want to keep a beach, so let's select this one. Okay, I'll position Abby in the corner. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to add a title page over here. Now how to add a title page? We have to click on this kitten like icon. Okay, don't click, only put your mouse cursor over that kitten like icon and then you get the paint option. Okay, so click on this paint option. It will add one blank sprite to your program, to your sprites pane. Okay, now we are going to create our title page over here using all of these editing tools. Okay, these are all the editing tools that we can use. Okay, so let's add a text first. Okay, so our topic that is given to you is your favorite holiday destination. So let's add the text like that only. Okay. This arrow. Okay, so right now there is only one text box over here. So whenever we click on the arrow, the text box will get automatically selected. Okay, now let's add a background because see the name is coming or the text is coming on our screen, yeah, in the stage. So let's add a background to it. So I want a background in, okay, let's create a beach only. Okay, a beach like scene. So let's add a sky. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to create, I'm going to add a rectangle over here. Okay, so adjust the rectangle on the stage like this. Okay, now put this rectangle at the back. Yeah. Okay, now let's move further. Let's add a sand now. Okay, so let's change the color where we will get the sand color. Okay, so let's add one more rectangle over here. Okay, I had selected this one, right? So let's change the color first. Okay, so I'm going to add a rectangle over here now. Okay, and I'm going to move this rectangle backward. Okay, if I move this back, then it will go all together back. Okay, so let's move it backward. Okay, deselect everything. Now let's add one more rectangle in watercolor, that is dark blue color. Okay, perfect. And now I'm going to select this one to make some waves over here. nice. Okay, so now I want to change this color. It being very light. Let's make it dark. I hope this looks nice. I'll make it a little bit top also. Let's put it over here only. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Now this is I'm done with this. Okay. Now we need to make program this title page to fade once we click on the flag. Okay, so let's see how to do this. Okay, so we'll go to code. Okay, we'll go in looks and we will use change effect by option. So yes, change effect by option. We will change the drop down to ghost. Okay. If we try to do this, see the title fades. Okay, so we will use the next thing, that is we will make the title reappear using set, and we will use it as ghost only. Okay, so see it is reappearing. Now we will go in events, we will go in control, and we will repeat this change ghost. Okay, adjust this value. Fades, right? I'll keep attach set over here. Now if you see, it's happening in a flick of second, right? So let's use the wait block. Okay, so let's use the wait block. Change this to 2 seconds. Let's see what happens. Waits for 2 seconds and then it appears, right? We'll put a event block over here. When we click on the green flag, our title page appears and it disappears after that. Okay, then let's code for Abby. So I'll code for Abby similarly. When green flag clicked, let her say hello. This is my favorite holiday destination. Now let's see how the code works. Now see, when the green flag is clicked, the dialog is coming directly on the title page. So what should we do? I guess we should add the wait block over here also. Wait for 2 seconds. Now let's see. Perfect. Okay, so this is how we are going to um, create the title page, program it to fade, and then have our dialogue. Okay, so let's create your own title page and program.